This is my 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I'm replacing the front bumper with a DIY Offroad Products front bumper non-winch. The bumper comes in a kit. You have to remove the existing bumper and assemble it yourself. Here's what you get in the kit. They have pre-bent pieces, then the wing pieces, the hardware, the frame attachment points. You need to weld it together yourself. The Jeep has a 3-inch iron rock off-road spring lift, wheel spacers, and 31-inch tall tires. Other than that, it's stock. The next step is to cut out the edge of this metal flange to allow you to get the brackets square up against the frame. This is the uncut side. This is what it looks like completed. Here's everything tacked up using the Jeep as a jig to make sure everything's level. As I'm working around it, I'm adding a front receiver hitch. There'll be a 2x2 brace behind it tying into the frame. Everything's going pretty well. It's a good kit. I'm happy with it, the way it fits. I'm going to add a bull bar brush guard as I get to that point. Now it's going to take everything off and weld it solid. Add the D-ring hooks. Just work your way through it. Here's the bumper all tacked together, 90% welded. I need to finish welding on the brush guard. You can see the receiver hitch. There's a piece of 2x2 mounted to the frame behind the bumper. Everything's going together pretty well. Just finish weld it up and clean it up and paint it. I'm going to mount a couple lights to make everything finalized. Like the way it's going so far. It's a good product. Getting ready to paint. I already put 2 coats of Acid Etch primer. Now I'm getting ready to use a Raptor liner in metallic black. Even though there's snow behind it, it's 50 degrees and that's the closest you can get this time of year. Hopefully it'll go on well. You can see the receiver hitch, how it's integrated into the bumper and tied to the frame. Went on pretty well. I like the texture it has, nice heavy texture. Next step will be bolt the bumper up, mount a couple lights, be done with it. So here's the finished product, DIY Offroad Products, 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee front bumper. I Raptor lined it, installed some spotlights and light bars. You can see the integrated receiver hitch. I think everything turned out pretty well. They make a good product. Just take your time putting it together. This is for my son who turned 16 this month. So he'll have fun driving it around. There's the special touch for him.